bicycle on a hillside desolate. Who makes a man of me dead when in this charming car? All right. Good morning, Idea Montopolis College Prep. This is Mr. Gatto with your morning announcements. Today is Wednesday, March the 3rd. Today is an A day. Please join me for today's pledges. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence. All right, thank you. So continuing again all this week with our winter storm relief, if you or your families need any assistance through the winter storm from the last week and a half or so, please go ahead and visit those links right there. Reach out to someone that you trust on campus. We want to support you, but we can only do so if we know what you need. So please go ahead and visit us at those links or reach out to a trusted adult on campus. All right, so March exams. Today we've got 9th and 10th grade English 1 and English 2. So good luck. We're going to do great. All right, Montopolis Senior Night. Go ahead and come out and support our seniors as they take the field for one last time, their last home game. And these games are going to be divided into two. We've got our boys coming in at March 9th at 6 p.m. versus Austin Achieve, and girls March 12th at 6 p.m. versus Georgetown Gateway. Again, come support our seniors at their last home game of the season and of their high school career. All right, semester exam incentives. Let's go ahead and pause right there and take a look at what our incentives are depending on our grade level. All right. State test. We've got our TELPAS exam happening in the coming week. Just want to go ahead and make sure that we all know what this is. Again, it's a test to measure English language proficiency and get us on track with all of that. All right, happy birthday to Daniela Bernal in 8th grade. Happy birthday, Daniela. We hope you have a great day filled with love, learning, awesomeness, and joy. We hope you make it a great one, Daniela. Happy birthday. All right, so again, we just want to remind everybody that mental health is just as important as physical health. Unfortunately, in many of our communities, we tend to stigmatize mental health. It should never be stigmatized. And on that note, we do have a virtual group, a virtual support group for anxiety support, and you'll learn tips on how to slow down your thoughts, prioritize, and reduce your stress. Again, if you're interested, message Miss Williams on Teams or like the message in your grade level Move This World tab. Again, if this is something that interests you, please message Miss Teams or drop a message in your grade level Move This World tab. All right. For 11th and 12th graders, if you feel like you've harnessed the high school experience, if you feel like you've gone through the ups and downs of what it is to be a student, please join us here at our Little Buddy Big Buddy program at the tiny URL right there on the screen. And you'll go ahead and be partnered with a underclassmen 9th or 10th grade to go ahead and guide them through high school, right? The good and the bad. Again, to be a mentor, this is only for 11th and 12th graders only, our upperclassmen only. There are community service hours included with this. Again, there are community service hours for those that want to get involved. On the flip side, if you feel that you could use a mentor, right, our 9th and 10th graders, if you feel you could use someone who's been in your shoes not that long ago, go ahead and sign up here as well. There are community service hours and other incentives for signing up. Again, to be partnered with a mentor, our 9th and 10th grade students, please fill out that form right there on the screen. Calculators, again, juniors and seniors for y'all. We've been making this announcement since December. Please make sure that you've returned these to us as soon as possible. Again, this is your money. This is the school's money. A lot of y'all have siblings that are in academy or are in middle school. Again, this affects them. These calculators do have to last us. And again, with everything going on right now with the budget and COVID and all this, y'all understand that money is few and far between. So with that, please return these calculators as soon as possible. All right, middle school schedule, let's pause to take a closer look if need be. Same with our 9th and 10th grade schedule, 11th and 12th grade right there as well. All right, everyone, attendance. We all know this is important, y'all. We started to have these conversations with a number of us, so please be here. You have to be here 90% of the time. Can't miss more than that. Can't miss more than 18 days of school. Again, you have to be here 90% of the time. You can't miss more than 18 days of school. The law is quoted right there. Again, we're not making this up. This is law, and you have to be here. And it's where we want you to be. Questions, please text us at the number projected during normal school hours. Follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/Montopolis College Prep to keep up with any school-wide updates. And Bulldogs are optimistic, determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. And remember, everyone, if nobody tells you today, remember that we all love you, we believe in you, and we always will. With that, it's time for Move This World. Have a great day, everybody.